Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So let's first open the Gmail application and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logging into two accounts at the same time, and now just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail app, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do that? We just should first tap to manage accounts on this device, and after that we'll just launch the Google account settings. Just to log out from one from these accounts in Google Google account settings, just click, for example, to this first one and tap here to remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again, and that's it. We can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. So let's just go back to the application so we can check and see that in app we also stay only with one Gmail app account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.